In this video, I want to just show you a new feature that Facebook's launched with the instant lead forms. So if you are generating leads using Facebook ads, there's a good chance that you're using lead magnets. For anyone who doesn't know, you're giving the customer something for free at the start in exchange for their email address. So it might be a free piece of information, a free how-to, a free template. Usually to do these lead magnet forms, you would have to run traffic to your website. Then you would have a downloadable form on your website after they complete their email address, phone number, whatever other information you want them to give you. But now Facebook's actually started to improve the instant lead form experience. So this is the lead form that stays on Facebook. What Facebook have done is they've given you, the advertiser, the opportunity to run lead magnets using the on Facebook instant form. So I want to just show you in this video how to use those on Facebook lead magnets. I want to jump straight into my ads manager. So this is just an example account. You're going to click on create, click on leads, continue. I'm not going to show you in this video how to set up a lead generation campaign. I've got another video which shows you more in detail how to properly set that up and how to increase your results. I'll leave a link to that video in the description, so check this one out first, then you can jump to that video and check how to set this up fully. In this video, I just want to show you this new feature because I think it's going to be extremely useful for advertisers, especially if you're already running lead magnets for your lead generation. So once you've created your campaign, you want to jump into the ad set level. Usually is, but you want to just make sure that instant forms is selected. And you can see here already Facebook's advertising to you the fact that they now have improved the instant form and you can use these lead magnets. We're going to be looking at this PDF as an incentive, which is essentially a lead magnet. So as long as instant forms is selected, you can jump straight into your ad level. Again, I'm not going to go through all building out ads and stuff like that on this video. I just want to show you these lead magnet instant forms. So you go down to your instant form, click on create form, give it a name. So I'll just call this example form. Again, I'm not going to cover all of what kind of information you want to be asking for here or customizing the text and the headlines. I'll leave the link in the description to that other video where I go through all of that stuff. I just want to show you how to actually use this instant lead form as a lead magnet. So you go down to the bottom and you always get this bit of information here where it's your call to action. So what you want to click on is here where it says call to action button. Click there and you can see that there's a brand new option which is view file. So if you click this, you can see what your potential customers are going to see here, which is this little unlocked logo, and then you can change your call to action to download or something like that, or if it's a strategy, download your free strategy sheet, whatever it is. And simply you just upload your lead magnet file here where it says upload PDF, PNG, JPEG, etc. So to cover the cons first, there's only a couple of cons, but one of the main ones for me is the fact that they're not going to open an email from your company to get this deliverable. They're now just going to open it on Facebook in the platform, which is great for retargeting, etc. But as a con, it means that they're not going to open that initial email from you, and they're not going to set your email address, your company's email address, as safe. So your future emails after this lead magnet are potentially going to fall into the spam folder and your clients, potential clients, might not actually see them. Another con is the same as the cons that you get using Facebook's instant forms in the first place. It's so easy for people to get these that there's a good chance that the conversion rate will be lower than if you're using website lead forms. That's still to be seen with this particular setup because it's very new, so it's something that I'm testing at the minute to see what those final conversion rates are actually going to be using the Facebook instant lead form lead magnet as opposed to your website. Now onto the pros. If you're keeping the client or the customer on Facebook, it means that you can track everything that happens. So anyone who opens and submits this form, you can create a custom audience later and create a lookalike from that. Anyone who opens it and doesn't submit it, you can create a really powerful custom audience and retarget them with maybe a slightly different offer or a different lead magnet to get that conversion. Whereas if they're going to your website to complete this action, After iOS 14.5, we all know that the tracking is not as good and your retargeting audiences are not worth anywhere near as much as they used to be. Another pro is that it's most likely going to be cheaper to get potential customers to give you their email address in exchange for the lead magnet because it's so much easier for them to do. Whereas previously you would have to go Facebook lead form to your website, download the lead magnet. Now it's just on Facebook lead form, download the lead magnet. It all happens on the platform, so it means that you're very likely going to get more signups or more email addresses than you previously would have done using the website to lead form process. So my advice to you, if you're already running lead magnets to your website, is to definitely test Facebook instant forms with a lead magnet. You can also add in clickable links in your lead magnet if you do want people to go to the website because you have more information on there, you sell your product more on the website, that's fine. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, feel free to give me a like and a subscribe to help me grow the channel. See ya.